Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer stocks in Zerodha. To begin, you must understand that Zerodha primarily facilitates off-market transfers. This means you will be using a physical document, not an online portal. We will guide you through the steps to ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your securities from your demat account. The only way to transfer shares out of your Zerodha demat account is through an off-market transfer. This process requires you to physically submit a delivery instruction slip, often called a DIS slip. This slip acts as your authorization to move specific shares from your account to another demat account, which can be with any broker. When filling out your DIS slip, precision is key. You need to clearly write the International Securities Identification Number, or ISIN, for each stock, along with the exact quantity of shares you wish to transfer. Also, provide the complete details of the target demat account, including the depository participant ID and client ID. Once completed, mail the original slip to Zerodha's head office. Before submitting, double-check that your signature on the DIS slip exactly matches the one registered with Zerodha to prevent any rejections. The entire transfer process usually takes about 3 to 5 business days from the time Zerodha receives your physical slip. Remember, Zerodha does not offer an online facility for transferring shares out of your demat account. The physical DIS slip is the sole method.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.